In this video, I'm going to show you how to set date automatically on Monday.com. So as you can see here on my screen, I already have a date column, but first let me remove this one. So we could just do it from scratch. So what we're going to do is we need to add another column for our date. So let's click the plus icon right here. And then we could simply type date in here. So it will populate the result. So let's hit this one. So we already have now the column. So for us to be able to set date automatically, we need to add an automation. So we'll go from here at my uh right hand side on the top right corner. Let's click that one, and then let's add an automation. So here we are already here. So let's click this one. When this happens, let's find the item created. So when an item is created, then do this. We need to find the set date. So when an item is created, then set date today. So for this one, date, since the name of our column is date, then we should just simply choose this one. But if the column you rename it as, like for example, creation date, it will also um, populate in here another option, the name of your date column. But right now, I only have the column name as date, so I will choose this date. So let's create this automation. And then let's go back to our board. Then let's try to create another item. So let's say this is the item 4. Let's hit enter. And right here, right there, there's already a date that has been set automatically. So that's about it. That's how you set date automatically on Monday.com. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.